Hello, I'm Mary Ellen. Welcome to my channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow, where we embrace the mess, laugh at the mishaps and celebrate the progress. Whether I'm cooking up a recipe, burning my fingers on the hot glue gun while crafting, digging in the garden or heading out on a family adventure, it's all about learning, growing and giving ourselves permission to not be perfect. Mistakes happen, and that's okay because in life's messes we learn and grow. Around here we focus on enjoying the process and making messy memories. So if you're into real-life creativity with a side of chaos, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're making a dairy-free vegan dill pickle potato salad that's full of flavor and perfect for all your summer gatherings. Ingredients: 1.5 pounds baby potatoes, halved or quartered, half a cup fresh dill chopped, a quarter cup red onion finely diced, half a cup dill pickles chopped, 1 teaspoon dill pickle juice, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon paprika, half a cup vegan mayo, 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast. Cook the potatoes. Place the baby potatoes in a large pot and cover with water. Add a pinch of salt and bring to a boil. Cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until fork tender. Drain and let them cool completely. Make the dressing in a large bowl. Whisk together the vegan mayo, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, garlic powder, paprika, dill pickle juice, and nutritional yeast until smooth and creamy. Chop the add-ins while the potatoes are cooling. Finely dice the red onion, chop the pickles and roughly chop the fresh dill. Combine everything once the potatoes are cool. Add them to the bowl with the dressing. Gently stir in the red onion, dill pickles and fresh dill. Mix until everything is well coated. Season to taste. Add salt and pepper to your liking. Taste and adjust lemon juice or pickle juice if you'd like more tang. Chill before serving. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour before serving to let the flavors blend. Serve chilled and enjoy. Optional. Garnish with extra fresh dill or a sprinkle of paprika before serving for an extra pop of color. And that's it, your dill pickle potato salad is ready to serve. It's packed with fresh summer flavor, making it the perfect side dish for BBQs, picnics or any get-together. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite summer side dish? I'd love to hear. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow, so get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.